is known for its subtlety and grace. It attempts to represent the interior aestheticism of the spirit through delicate restraint. It places more emphasis on the upper half of the body, introduces an image of movements by the shoulders responded to by the arms, while the head moves in affirmation. Legs, on the other hand, consistently move in support of the upper half of the body, but not for a demonstration of leg movement technique for its own sake. In fact, the legs have always remained hidden beneath a long skirt. There are many forms of Tao Sien dances, including farmer's dance, court dance, masked dance, sword dance, drum dance, and fan dance. The dance today will be performed depicting peaceful moments in harvesting season. The performers are Amy Ho, Annie Chan, Kate He, and Crystal Dawn.